Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO M5s and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So basically, first of all, before we will actually enter the Play Store, we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. So then, after the internet connection, enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in, so just do it and then tap on the circle, which is basically your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage here. And as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps, and just after tapping on Updates Available, we can see all newest versions which we can download. And basically here all you have to do is to simply mark those which you'd like to use. So of course you can pick only one of it or two of them or even all, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, those updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you don't have to do anything more. So actually that's all. This is how to update the apps in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.